if I told you this beautiful crochet tote started as a $3 thrift store bed sheet? Not yarn, not rope, not fabric purchased from a craft store, just an old sheet that someone else didn't want anymore. And today I'm going to show you exactly how it became one of my favorite totes. The best part? This entire project cost less than a single skein of premium yarn. That's where every Bird and Yaya project begins, at the thrift store. Most crocheters walk into a craft store when they need materials. We head to the bedding section, because hidden in these stacks of forgotten sheets is enough material to make multiple crochet projects. And once you start seeing thrift stores this way, you never look at them the same again. Today we're hunting for lightweight cotton sheets with colors and patterns that will turn into something beautiful. Because we're not buying fabric, we're buying future projects. This is where the magic happens. A lot of people don't realize you can turn a single sheet into hundreds of yards of fabric yarn. And honestly, this transformation is one of my favorite parts of the entire process. Watching something most people would overlook become a giant ball of crochet material never gets old. At some point, you stop seeing a sheet and you start seeing possibility. This is the exact idea that started our entire SHEET-TO-SKEIN journey. Now here's what makes this tote different from a lot of crochet bags. Most crochet bags are soft and flexible. This one is designed to be functional. The wooden base creates structure, the fabric yarn creates durability, and the finished shape is perfect for carrying everyday items without collapsing. Laptops, planners, project supplies, farmers market finds, beach essentials, this tote can handle it all. The construction starts with a rectangle wooden base. Using a 4mm hook, Yaya works a single crochet into every hole. At each corner, she then places 3 stitches. If this feels awkward at first, that's completely normal. Working directly into wood is different than working into fabric or yarn. But once this first round is finished, everything starts coming together quickly. This is one of my favorite parts of the project, the moment the sides begin turning upward. Using back loop only stitches creates a clean 90-degree angle that transforms the flat base into a real tote. And suddenly you can see the finished project taking shape. This is the stage where most crocheters start getting excited because the transformation becomes obvious. It's no longer a wooden base, it's becoming a bag. If you would like to make this bag yourself, you can find a link to the PDF pattern in the description. If you love creative projects, thrift store transformations, and finding new ways to make beautiful bags without spending a fortune on yarn, make sure you're subscribed. Every month, we release a brand new bag pattern designed to help you learn something new while creating something practical you'll actually use. Now let's finish this tote. From here, the process becomes wonderfully repetitive. Round after round, stitch after stitch, the walls grow taller. And one thing I love about this design is how customizable it is. Need more room? Keep going. Want something smaller? Stop earlier. You get to decide exactly how your tote works for your lifestyle. And just like that, our thrift store sheet has become a finished summer tote that we're calling Summer. What started as something overlooked becomes something useful, something beautiful, and something completely unique. Now you know that we are obsessed with fabric handles, with finding the right fabric to make beautiful fabric handles that complement the bag perfectly. In this case, we found a lovely blue kind of paisley pattern that goes great with the blue stripes in this bag. A couple knots adjusted to the exact length that we want, and voila! The tote is ready. And just like that, our thrift store sheet has become a finished summer tote that we are calling Summer. What started as something overlooked became something useful, something beautiful, and something completely unique. What I love most about this bag is that it actually can get used. Not displayed, not stored away, used. Whether you're heading to work, the beach, a farmer's market, or simply carrying your latest crochet project, this tote is ready for it all. I hope this project inspires you to look at ordinary materials differently. Sometimes the best crochet supplies aren't found in the craft store. Sometimes they're waiting in the thrift store aisle for a second chance. Thank you for spending part of your day with us. And until next time, happy crocheting. Lovebird and Yaya.